What's happening with ARK Investing dumping 133,000 Coinbase shares? So Katie Wood's ARK Invest sold 133 shares on 1,000 on January 5th with a sales totaling approximately 20.6 million. Ain't that crazy? That's a bit crazy to me if you ask me. But bringing the total of around 78 million. Despite these sales, Coinbase remains a significant part of ARK's ETF portfolios. Here's the two scenarios I'm thinking of. One is that they're taking profit on portfolio rebalancing. They probably have an internal limit as to what percentage any single stock can be percentage of the overall portfolio. So that's one. If one stock goes up a lot as Coin over the past 6 months, they need to sell it to keep the same overall percentage of portfolio. And Katie has even confirmed this. A lot of people have been calling this bullish on the Coinbase stock. Could be also to buy with this more Bitcoin. So it's not the worst factor as people are saying. Like, people are so worried that this is one of the worst things that could happen in crypto. And everyone is going to be basically running home. Absolutely not. To me, it feels like just the start of the big bull run. And a lot of people have been saying that they're selling Coinbase because the spot ETF listing is happening. I don't agree so. I think it's just the beginning basically of something much, much bigger in that sense. So that's one factor for that. But what we could also be seeing is basically the bull run price hikes incoming. So I'm definitely really excited for that in that sense. There is going to be probably more opportunities. She was scooping them between $18 to $50 heavily. Of course, they're taking profits. It's not profit. Their average cost is $254 in what they purchase on the price. So if markets allow, I would dump coin, which has increased 4 times this year, and all in cash that Bitcoin, probably ETF. And people are basically saying that Katie Wood has been selling these cryptos. Again, this is just a short-term price drop. Nothing too worrying in the long-term sense. So I definitely do think the scenario for this in the long term is that we are going to be seeing more basically price hikes in that sense. More price cuts, actually, not price hikes. And she was basically reselling that of what they can sell. So this has nothing to do with Coinbase stock going down. This is not bullish. It's neither bullish or bearish. ARK still has a sizable position in Coin, but they bought it at a 52-week low, certainly, so it doesn't make any sense to not take profit now. They've dumped all shares they would set. Either know the approval will face challenges. Katie Wood is just going full degen mode and would put it all in Roblox. So a lot of people have been calling out basically these big institutions for selling. I think it's neither. I don't think they're selling nor buying in that sense. So it's not that problematic if you look at it. It's really normal. It happens in the stock industry all the time. And down to 10% of their portfolio and dropping, this can't end well. Like, people are making too much of this. Again, it's a pretty normal behavior. But if you guys want more content like this, smash that like button, and I will keep you guys updated with more news. Until next time, peace everyone.